To get started, I just added a clip to my timeline that I'd like to speed up. Now, let's begin by selecting the razor tool and then cut out the part of the video you'd like to speed up. Then using the selection tool, make sure the cutout part of the video is selected and use the Control, our keyboard shortcut, to bring up the speed settings in here. Change the speed to your desired percentage amount. Set mine a 300% for a 3x speed increase. You'll also want to make sure that Ripple Edit Shifting Trailing Clips is selected so there's no gap between your clips after the speed up. If you have audio, you may want to check Maintain Audio Pitch to avoid getting the squeaky audio effect we're done in here. So just hit OK, and when I play this back, the speed will increase when it gets to our clip. But yeah, that's it for this short tutorial. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. If this video helpful to learn quickly, hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Then you won't miss any upcoming tutorials.